Hello everyone, welcome back to the place. Seychelles Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Follow me on Instagram Seychelles Running, Sashells. I do have my Facebook page Seychelles Speaks Messages. I haven't done the editing part of the name, so it is by this name right now because of the busy schedule, guys. I am not getting time. Okay, so I love you and sending you love all the way from India. Now let's just start with your reading, and come on. Well, these are general, universal, timeless readings. Roles can be reversed, and for all the signs, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, okay, not for any specific. I am getting the message of like it's about to feel or it's time to feel light, okay, like a feather. So you are about to feel lighter. That is the better word, actually. You are going to be feeling lighter. When I was focusing for you, it was something coming like, it's time to say sorry, but not exactly in front of the person possible. For some cases out there, the person is not there. They have long gone possible. They are not in contact with you. But it's time to say sorry from many sides. It is also time to say, or at least to forgive. You might not get the apology. Some of you are not going to get the apology. And I know it is very, very hurtful to know sometimes that the person is not coming to say you sorry. But remember, there is always the other side, okay? And that you don't know. That's very weird, actually. In front of me there is one box, and actually in my room, and I just read the words written over there, handle with care, okay? So maybe that message is also going, because I do feel that whenever we are reading, if energies are connecting us and they are letting us see something at that time, in that time frame, that message is for you definitely, okay? Something that you need to handle with care, yourself, your mood, your heart. Now, I was shuffling this deck and I'm going to go intuitive more, okay? But they are asking me to. But you're getting the crossroads, okay? Now with the crossroads, you might be dealing with the Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or you might be the one listening to this. Doesn't matter, the crossroads is this way, that way, the other way. You people have been at crossroads from a very long time. At least from a long time that now you can actually see. When you see back the flash, you know, the flashback or something, that this was the lane we followed. This is the trail we followed. So whatever happened, this is going to be when the time is coming that you get lighter. Your weight off your shoulders, like kind of like you'll be done for and with many things, okay? Now the message that is coming more here is that, okay, fine, yeah. Balloons, a lot, what they're trying to say, I'm sorry guys for my words. Balloons are there, and actually you're releasing it in the air. That kind of symbolism where I feel the message they want to say is that it's time to get free from some things. It's time to get lighter. It's time to release everything. The apology that never came, the sorry that someone never said. That's an apology, obviously, but the proper form of apology. This is also something that you're going to forgive, you're going to release, you're going to let go, you're freeing them. And it was just not one balloon, those were many. Means possible this is a connection of long time, possible this is something lingering on situation, but you're going to be done with. I saw the red balloon, then I saw the blue balloon, and I couldn't see any other color, but all I saw were two, especially for me. Red is obviously, for some cases, love, passion, ignition. For some cases, this could be the alert, alarm. This could also be, this is the time. Blue connected with that is connected with the hope. It is also something connected with now. There is something cold as well. You are supposed to release someone from your life. I also feel like one person feelings are dead in their heart, or they're feeling cold towards the other person possible. This is the time when one person is burning with passion or love or something like that, possible even anger, and the other person is cold enough not to reciprocate that well. This is time to get lighter, okay? Releasing is very important. I know it is difficult, but once you are done with that, you will see the better things in future. Yes, we all see. Yes, it is difficult. If I was in like front of you, like that, the camera, you could actually see my facial gestures, and you see me, so you know that how I must be while giving you this message, that what you should be doing. That's why you're getting the crossroads. This is telling you how long you'll be confused. I'm getting the message return, okay? This is the house. To be honest, when I was shuffling this particular deck, this one card flipped out while I was into meditation, but that time was not the call. But I do like telling you people that this came out, okay? This came out, the house. This is King of Hearts, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is return time. I feel return home. Make way for better. Return home or return to yourself. For many of you, this is about return to yourself. Please. Okay? So let's see where you're coming from. Or let's just say how I'm going to read. I don't know. Balloons are telling me because they were actually very high. So this means that you are ready. This means that some of you are in this process already. Some of you have done this already. Okay? Some of you will do it right from the rooftop and you will be fine. Now when you are actually doing it, some of you are actually doing it. Some of you are just doing it in a way of like, kind of like, yes, I'm done. I have to release it for my sake. Okay? I also see like balloons with so many hopes or so many dreams connected. This could be something new that's happening in your heart. So this could be the cold heart, or a single heart or cold heart is getting the bubbles again, and it's getting like brew effect here. The love from far. This could be the message that someone will send, or you are preparing yourself to send. I'm getting the messages, the last message, or the last things that someone will write to you or wrote to you, or you wrote to them. Well, with the journal, 10 of Pentacles, this is someone from far possible as well. This is about, I'm picking the word recovery actually. Someone over here is recovering, but that's not the word even written here. Now the other word written here actually is discoveries, I feel like. Yes, it's about some connected with the history, the line, okay? But I also feel this is some sort of connection. So you might end up hearing from someone, okay? Or you just feel a lot of this connection with this particular energy. The dog is a loyal friend, companion as well. It's someone who is interested in you, possible for some cases, or some cases you can't accept it and that's why you're releasing, because you don't want pain here. But I do feel like there is someone who likes you very much actually, and there is someone, I don't know why when I look at it, it's like a faithful apology coming from someone. Well, what's in your now? Something is supposed to reach you, or the right information is not with you, if that goes that way. But I feel like this is Queen of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Some of you might be the one listening, or you are dealing with the one. The ship is something that is going to be fine now, I feel. This is about trips, travel, move, exploration. Something that was difficult or is difficult, but you're going to be doing this for the sake of your happiness that's coming in the future. Now this may be the bouquet with the person. This is about family. This is about happiness, joy, peace, okay? So when you're going to be done here with something, the new thing is coming, okay? Now I feel like from far the message shall come, or from far the hopes shall begin to rise. I do feel someone is overseas here as well. But for most of you, this is going to be the end of a difficult cycle here, which is about letting things go, letting things move. and something that was very difficult for you to move on, you're going to write it. Something that was difficult for you to say, someone over here is going to write something. This could be the email, the big email here, or just a way to reach. Could be even the letter, actual letter actually, because I kind of love that vintage old school type things wherein people are writing postcards or letters to someone and sending them. I just love this fact. Okay, unexpected letter, unexpected message, unexpected email, but something unexpected from far will reach to you. That's your future call or future vibe. Okay, what's beyond the bouquet? What's beyond the bouquet? What's beyond the bouquet? Again, the crossroads. Something that you thought was over, you might hear out. Something that you thought is rest in peace actually will be like return if possible kind of energy that may come. This is also Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, but this is the crossroads. Something that will put you in the decision making mode here. This may also be the at cross with past and present energies if you have, but I feel like this is going to lay out the new path for you, wherein you have to one complete and one new here. At least that's what I see. Okay, we will see where you're coming from. Where you're coming from. I'll shuffle, I'll stop, I'll cut the deck in 3 and pull the top cards. 10 of Swords, going with the ship, 10 of Swords. In your now, this could be even the choice between Gemini, Libra, Aquarius and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, you're getting Queen of Pentacles in the center here. Saying adios or overcoming something here, I see. Okay, something is going to be challenging here to get through, but I feel like you're coming from a place where you're going to be completing some circle here, which is about 10 of Swords. A lot of communication here, but the end of that cycle. If it is with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, it's going to be done, or any energy who was very rude or dominating here. I feel like that way. 3 of Swords energy. This is about chaotic situation. This is also about some misunderstandings that you're going to be clearing out. Okay, this is about divorce, separations energies as well. This is about the third case as well, and going beyond 7 of Wands and 5 of Wands energy. This is something that I see challenging to choose the right path for you. It's about push and pull also, but I see like it's going to be something that you have to prove to you or they. And that's what the situation is about, whether you should let in or not, because there are many arguments here I see with the person. Why this is 3 of Swords. Yes, 2 of Pentacles. This is about some sort of declaration, prioritizing also, or dealing with 2 people at the same time. What is that you want? Oh, what is that you want? You want 6 of Cups. This is you want to reunite with the person you love totally, from wherever. Okay, this is someone either you are releasing but you loved so much, but this is what you want to reunite from someone who might be from far. Okay, and what is that they want? Someone over here, first thing is they want destruction, or 8 of Pentacles. This is possible that they want to make amends here, which is about either they want to focus on work, that's kind of destruction, choosing the other path. But if this is about making things right, they want to organize something. Okay, what is that they feel or think about you? They miss you. I feel like someone over here is missing you. 4 of Cups energy. They don't know, I mean, what is the better way for them to choose, but there is some missing part here. Okay, what is that they are missing? They are missing both of your cycle or connection. 8 of Cups energy. Someone over here is missing. Okay, what was the phase? 8 of Cups energy. They are feeling alone here, I do feel. Okay, So I hope that this will help you guys. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.